Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Linear regression is a powerful and widely used statistical method in machine learning and data analysis. It is used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables by fitting a linear equation to the observed data. In this tutorial, we will focus on evaluating the accuracy of a linear regression model using the accuracy score metric in Python. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. Additionally, you'll need to install the following libraries. The accuracy score is a common metric used to evaluate the performance of regression models. In the context of linear regression, the accuracy score is often referred to as the coefficient of determination or R-squared. It measures the proportion of the variance in the dependent variable that is predictable from the independent variables. Let's create a simple example to demonstrate linear regression and calculate the accuracy score using Python. In this example, we generate a synthetic data set, split it into training and testing sets, create a linear regression model, make predictions, and calculate the accuracy score, R-squared. Finally, we visualize the linear regression line along with the test data points. In this tutorial, you learned how to use Python to perform linear regression and evaluate the model's accuracy using the R-squared metric. The accuracy score provides insights into how well the model fits the data. Experiment with different datasets and parameters to gain a deeper understanding of linear regression in practice. ChatGPT. Title: Understanding and Evaluating Linear Regression Accuracy in Python. Introduction. Linear regression is a popular machine learning algorithm used for predicting a continuous outcome variable based on one or more predictor variables. Evaluating the accuracy of a linear regression model is crucial to assess its performance. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to calculate and interpret the accuracy score for a linear regression model in Python using the scikit-learn library. Prerequisites. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine, and you can install the necessary libraries using Linear Regression Accuracy Score. The accuracy score for a linear regression model is often measured using metrics like mean squared error, MSE, R-squared, or other regression evaluation metrics. In this tutorial, we'll focus on R-squared, coefficient of determination, as a common accuracy measure. Assume you have a dataset with predictor variables, features, and a target variable, outcome. Load the data into a pandas data frame. Split the dataset into training and testing sets to train the model on one subset and evaluate its performance on another. Interpretation. Conclusion. Evaluating the accuracy of a linear regression model is essential for understanding its predictive performance. In this tutorial, we used R-squared as a metric to measure the goodness of fit. Experiment with different metrics and fine-tune your model to achieve the best results for your specific data set. ChatGPT. Certainly. Linear regression is a fundamental machine learning algorithm used for modeling the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. Evaluating the accuracy of a linear regression model is crucial to understand how well it performs on unseen data. In Python, you can compute the accuracy score of a linear regression model using metrics like R-squared, coefficient of determination, or mean absolute error, MAE. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to perform linear regression and calculate accuracy scores using Python. Firstly, import the required libraries, NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and Matplotlib for data manipulation, model building, accuracy score computation, and visualization. Load or create a dataset that contains the dependent variable, target, and independent variables, features. For this example, Let's generate synthetic data. Split the dataset into training and testing sets to train the model on one portion and evaluate its performance on another. Instantiate the linear regression model and fit it to the training data. Use the trained model to make predictions on the test set and calculate accuracy scores like R-squared and mean absolute error. Optionally, visualize the actual versus predicted values using a scatter plot. This tutorial guides you through the process of performing linear regression in Python and computing accuracy scores using R-squared and mean absolute error. Adjustments and enhancements can be made based on your specific dataset and needs. Remember, the interpretation of the accuracy score may vary based on the context of your problem and the domain in which you're applying linear regression. ChatGPT